Have you ever wondered how coconuts are made in a factory? Well, humans don't make coconuts. They grow wild on tall palm trees. But once they are picked, they travel across the ocean to US factories. Inside these massive factories, the raw coconuts are turned into tasty food. Let's step inside. First, thousands of coconuts roll down a moving belt. Workers carefully check each one to make sure it is fresh and healthy. If the coconut still has its thick outer skin, a machine tears it off. The hairy husks are not thrown away. They are saved to make rope or soil. Now we are left with the hard, brown shell most people recognize. The first step is getting the delicious coconut water hidden inside. A machine drills a tiny hole, and the clear water pours out into a tank. This water is filtered to make sure it is perfectly clean and sweet. It is quickly packed into boxes and bottles, ready for you to drink. But what about the rest of the coconut? Next, the hard shell is cracked open. Inside, you will find the bright, white, thick coconut meat. A special curved tool scoops the white meat away from the hard outer shell. Sometimes, a thin brown skin stays stuck to the white meat. A gentle peeling machine shaves this brown skin right off. The pure white chunks are then washed in a giant bath of clean, cold water. They are also sprayed with hot steam to kill any germs or bacteria. Now these clean pieces are ready to be turned into different foods. Some of the meat goes into a grinder that shreds it into tiny pieces. It looks just like a beautiful pile of fresh white snow. To make coconut milk, this wet snow goes into a heavy pressing machine. The press squeezes the meat so hard that thick white liquid comes out. This is rich coconut milk. It is completely dairy-free and very creamy. The factory pumps this milk into shiny tin cans or cardboard boxes. The cans are quickly heated up to keep the milk fresh for a long time. If they squeeze it even harder, they get an even thicker liquid called coconut cream. But what happens to the shredded meat after the milk is squeezed out? It travels through a long, warm oven that slowly bakes it. This dries it out completely, turning it into crispy coconut flakes. Bakers use these dry flakes to make yummy cakes, cookies, and candy bars. There is one more amazing thing the factory makes: coconut oil. To get oil, the dried coconut meat is pressed again until natural oils drip out. The oil is spun in circles very fast to remove any leftover specks of dirt. In warm weather, this oil is a clear liquid that pours easily into jars. But in cool rooms, the oil magically turns into a solid white block. People use this healthy oil for cooking and frying their favorite foods. It is also used in soaps and lotions to keep our skin feeling soft. As you can see, this factory is very busy making many different things. Everything is controlled by smart computers to ensure perfect quality. Taste testers also check the products to make sure they are delicious. Now it is time to pack everything up. Robot arms help fold the boxes quickly. Cans, jars, and bags are packed neatly together into these strong boxes. The boxes are stacked high on wooden pallets and wrapped in tight plastic. A small forklift truck scoops up the heavy pallets and drives them away. They are loaded onto huge delivery trucks waiting at the factory doors. These trucks drive across the country, delivering the goods to your town. Eventually, they arrive at your local grocery store. Store workers place the coconut water, milk, and oil neatly on the shelves. Finally, you can pick them up and bring them home to your kitchen. It is amazing how one hairy brown nut can turn into so many useful things. The best part is that nothing goes to waste. Every part of the coconut is used. The factory runs all day and night to keep up with how much we love coconuts. From cracking to peeling, washing, and pressing, it is a huge team effort. It takes skilled workers and amazing machines to make it all happen safely. So next time you take a sip of refreshing coconut water, or bite into a sweet, chewy piece of coconut cake, you will know exactly the incredible journey it took to get to you. Thanks for joining our factory tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe.